Summer holidays. We are going to learn summer holidays vocabulary.
Happy holidays, holidays are fun. Happy, happy holidays, have a good time everyone. It's summertime, time to play. Eat ice cream and swim all day. Happy, happy holidays, holidays are fun. Happy, happy holidays, have a good time everyone. It's summertime, have a rest. I hope this summer is the best. Happy, happy holidays, holidays are fun. Happy, happy holidays, have a good time everyone.
Summer holidays vocabulary. Suitcase. Swimming trunks. Swimsuit. Sandals. Sunglasses. Camera. Sun cream. T-shirt. Flip-flops. Summer holidays cartoon.
Look! We're going to go on that plane to Port Ferry.
Your suitcase is very big, Harry.
Well, I'm going to need a lot of things. Oh no, my swimming trunks.
Oh, there's sun cream on everything.
Oh, I'm going to miss Alvin.
Don't worry. Look! Alvin and Alina are going to come too.
Now we're all going to fly.
Summer holidays vocabulary. Sea. Sand. Starfish. Seagull. Sky. Boat. Shell. Surfboard. Wetsuit. Summer Holidays cartoon.
Look at all these beautiful starfish.
Let's collect them.
Why are you putting the starfish back into the sea, Grandpa?
I want to save them.
But there are a lot of starfish. We can't save them all.
You can save one starfish at a time. So let's try.
Happy summer, everyone! Keep the seaside clean and the animals safe.
Summer Holidays vocabulary. Camp. Fire. Tent. Sleeping bag. Rucksack. Map. Summer Holidays cartoon.
I love summer holidays.
Me too.
Okay, time to cook dinner.
Oh no! Where are the matches?
Don't worry. Here you are. Happy holidays, everyone.
Summer Holidays activities. Surf. Go surfing. Dive. Go diving. Swim. Go swimming. Cook dinner. Pack rucksack. Go camping. Make fire. Set up the tent. Buy a souvenir. Go on holiday. Summer holidays song.
Holiday fun, out in the sun. It's summertime, everyone. Holiday fun, out in the sun. It's summertime, everyone. Put on your sunglasses, let's go today. Holiday fun, time to play, play, play. Have a great summer, see you soon. Hope you all have some holiday fun. Holiday fun, out in the sun. It's summertime, everyone. Holiday fun, out in the sun. It's summertime, everyone.
Thank you for watching.